Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0442 Evaporative. Emission control system leak detected. Now, that sounds scary, but don't worry, it's often a simple fix. In this video, we'll show you 2 easy ways to tackle this code and get your car running clean again. What is the P0442 code? The P0442 code means your car's evap system, which controls gas fumes, has a small leak. This can hurt your gas mileage and pollute the air. The signs and possible reasons for the P0442 problem. You experience a strong gasoline smell in the vehicle, increased fuel consumption, check engine light is on, failed emissions inspection, as your car emissions increase and don't meet ecological standards anymore. Now let's fix the P0442 code. Method 1. The gas cap. Believe it or not, a loose or faulty gas cap is the most common reason for a P0442 code. Open your gas tank and take a good look at the gas cap. Locate your gas cap. It's usually on the rear quarter panel of your car. Give the cap a good twist to make sure it's fully tightened. You should hear a few clicks. Check the rubber seal for cracks or tears. Clean with the WD-40 cleaner. If it's damaged or doesn't tighten properly, replace it with a cap specifically designed for your car. Method 2. Canister purge valve. This method requires the engine to be running. The canister purge valve controls airflow in the evap system. If it's stuck open, it can cause a leak. Locate the canister purge valve. It's usually connected to a hose near the engine intake. With the engine running, carefully place your finger over the vacuum hose. Connected to the valve, you should feel a slight suction on your finger. If you don't feel any suction, the valve might be stuck and needs replacing. Once you've checked the gas cap, you can try clearing the trouble code. Some cars reset the code after a few driving cycles if the problem is fixed. You can also clear the code with a simple OBD-II scanner. Important notes: if neither of these solutions fix the code, it's best to take your car to a mechanic. For further diagnosis, replacing a gas cap is cheap and easy. Replacing a canister purge valve can be a bit more involved, so consult a repair manual or mechanic if needed. Thanks for watching. Remember, tackling a P0442 code can be simple. By checking your gas cap and optionally the purge valve, you can save money and keep your car running clean. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.